In this series on career in digital and web analytics, today I'm talking to Jim Sterne. Jim is the founder of digital analytics conference called Marketing Analytics Summit, which was also called eMetrics, and he is also the founder of Digital Analytics Association, DAA. He has served as the chairman of DAA for several years, has written many successful books, and is recognized as one of the top speakers by National Speakers Association. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified about any new videos that I post. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hi, Jim. Thank you for taking the time to talk to me. I have one question for you. What advice would you give to someone who's just starting or thinking about starting a career in digital and web analytics?
Three pieces of advice. One is play with whatever tools look like fun and do a deep dive rather than try to learn everything. Pick one and go deep just for the technical chops. Number two, read everything, podcasts, blogs. There's plenty of stuff out there and 99% of it is good, and I wrote the rest. And then the third one is community. Measure Slack, join the Digital Analytics Association, try to get tickets to Measure Camp, even if it's only online. Get involved with the people. And okay, number four, ask many questions, because those people who hold themselves out as experts prove that they're experts when you ask them questions. So you're not interrupting them, you're actually helping them boost their ego.
Thank you, Jim. As always, great advice. If there is one person in the industry that you should absolutely follow, then that is Jim. Listen to every word that he says. That'll take your career to the next level.